Hey guys, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you've probably seen me whittling away at this pile of what looks like garbage. These are beams that we took out of a building 2 summers ago, and I've been slowly processing it into valuable lumber actually. Last weekend I shot a video of installing material that I made from these beams on the front desk of a hair salon. Before that, I've used this material in another salon to make hair stations, and now I'm making wood paneling that's going to go into the building that is replacing the building that we tore down to get this wood. So right now I'm going to fire up this excavator, pull these beams out, and what I want to do is cut them to length and width, and then I'll take the beams home and saw them into the paneling that I need. Yeah.
I sent it to Luke.
Oh yeah?
Because he had called, last week. He was...
It is. We're going to have to negotiate. It is very Now it might look like this little 5-foot piece of wood is a waste of time, but once it's milled up, it'll be worth over 150 bucks. So because I'm getting down in quantity and I have a list that I need to hit, I'm going to use every single piece of this wood that I can.
Oh, just super duper.
Super duper is good.
Did we get one of
Not
those?
Takuchi, I mean the
Yeah, Mark.
Takuchi.
Oh, the 85.
The
Yeah, the
85.
85 is great. But you still need mini now and then. couldn't do that again if I tried. Well, it was bound to happen, and it finally did. I got a nail. I'm really surprised I got through all this wood before hitting my first nail, but we're doing pretty good. I'll take it home and spend my time going through and making sure I've got all the nails. I didn't bring my metal detector with me today, so I will get this stuff set up in my shop and just really go through it. Well guys, my day has gone downhill pretty quick. I've hit metal twice with my chainsaw and it won't cut worth a darn. I don't have any spare chains with me, and the excavator started running very badly, so I'm gonna park it. And the Oregon Ducks are about to play football, so I think I'll go home and put all my toys away and watch some football. Before I sign off here, I like to give a channel shout out every now and then when I find a channel that I really like and I think that you guys would like as well. One of my viewers, Blaze Brogan, I believe is his name, he's from the UK, and he's running a monster dual power head chainsaw mill, and he's got some really cool stuff over on his channel, so if you go check it out, it'll be worth your time. I really like his content, and I think you will too. I appreciate you guys watching, and all the comments are awesome, and stay tuned for more.